Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the problem. Power down and unplug the keyboard, or remove batteries if wireless, then test the keyboard on a different computer or USB port to rule out OS hardware. While you do that, use the on-screen keyboard and a text editor to map which keys fail and whether it's a single key, a whole row, or modifier combos. Once done, document exactly which keys act dead so you know whether you can fix the switch, clean debris, or update drivers. You now move into physical fixes. Remove keycaps carefully with a puller and keep a photo of the layout to avoid mistakes later. Use compressed air to clear crumbs, then dip a cotton swab in 70–90% isopropyl alcohol to clean around the switch and stabilizers. Allow full evaporation. If a key still fails, inspect the switch, ribbon cable, and PCB for corrosion or cracked solder joints. Make sure to handle the board by its edges and, if needed, reseat or replace the ribbon connector. You finish by replacing the faulty component. Swap the bad switch or keycap, or carefully reflow a cracked solder joint if you have soldering experience. Reassemble the keyboard, reconnect it, and test every key, then update or reinstall drivers and keyboard firmware to ensure the OS recognizes it. If the key remains dead after these steps, try a different USB adapter or an external keyboard to confirm failure. If the problem persists, seek professional repair. One troubleshooting tip: check for bent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.